Welcome to the last video in our 6-part video series about making money on YouTube and my programs Tube Mastery and Monetization and Tube Coaching. I've received so many messages and emails from people who are interested in doing this. And the early bird waitlist has grown way bigger than I ever anticipated. In fact, there's more people on the early bird waitlist than I can accept into the course. And I've received hundreds of questions about the program and making money on YouTube. And instead of answering every single one by one, I thought it'd be easier just to sit down, shoot this video, and answer your questions all in one place. So if you did send me a message and I haven't gotten back to you, I apologize. My Instagram DMs and emails are completely overflooded with questions about Tube Mastery and Tube Coaching. Now before I do that, let's recap what we've gone over in this 6-part video series so far. If you watched the last videos within this series, then you know that YouTube niche channels where you never even have to show your face are one of the best ways to make money online. And I also showed you that doing this is probably not as hard as you think. And I demonstrated how you can get started doing this fast with the best niches to do this in and implementing my #1 secret, which is similar metadata, and a couple other secrets such as modeling what works in order to get results fast. I also showed you actual examples of niche channels in action and some of the results that my students have gotten. And with YouTube niche channels, there's no reason that you can't start making money on YouTube.